Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 whole house humidifiers. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Aircare 831,000. Digital controls with auto humidistat. The maximum runtime is 70 hours and the capacity is 6 gallons. Automatically shuts off when desired humidity level is reached, or when unit is empty. Trap Max filter technology with protection. Check filter and water refill indicators. Easy to use pour infill. Voltage, 120 volt. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Vornado Evop 40. Humidifies up to 1000 square foot through the use of signature vortex circulation. Hertz 60 Hz. Adjustable humidistat for automatic humidity control and 3 speed settings, low, medium, high. 4-gallon capacity and up to 4-gallon output every 24 hours for long, uninterrupted operation. Airlock water tanks are easy to fill, spill-proof and leak-free. Simple to clean, assembled in the USA and backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Aircare 600M. Buy with confidence. This humidifier was designed and manufactured in the USA by Aircare. Full coverage up to 4,000 square feet in tightly built homes with a capacity of 17 gallons per day. Manual humidifier with a single sensor built into the standard control monitors indoor relative humidity for use in manually setting the % humidity in your home. Feel more comfortable while also preserving items in your home susceptible to damage from changing humidity or dry conditions. Humidity for Health. Aircare humidifiers can help you maintain optimal humidity in your home of 35% to 45%, which has been shown to reduce the incidence of respiratory infections. Please check the description for details and best price.
Designed and manufactured here in the United States, Aircare's Whole Home Humidifier Model 600 is a large capacity solution for the dry air inside your home. More than a single room humidifier, Aircare's Whole Home Humidifiers have enough capacity to humidify your entire home when connected directly to your HVAC system. With a capacity that will add 17 gallons of moisture to your home per day, the Model 600 can humidify homes up to 4,000 square feet. Providing a variety of health benefits, in-home humidification has been proven to reduce the incidence of respiratory infections, dry skin, and static shock. Let us help turn.
Number 2. Aircare EP9800. Pedestal style humidifier for a whole house up to 2,400 square feet. Assembled product weight, 27 pounds. Digital humidistat automatically maintains your desired humidity level with digital accuracy. Digital readout displays actual humidity level, desired humidity level or fan speed. Voltage 120 volts. 9 fan speeds allows you to select your ideal performance level. Automatically shuts off when desired humidity level is reached or when unit is empty. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Aircare Ma 0800. Digital controls with auto humidistat. 3-speed motor with quiet nighttime setting. Automatically shuts off when desired humidity level is reached or when unit is empty. Check filter and water refill indicators. Easy fill water bottle. Voltage, 120 volts. Please check the description for details and best price.